Tornado emergency for Wake County. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for Wake County, northeastern Franklin County, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Wake Forest, or 10 miles north of Raleigh, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Wake County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, Garner, Fouquet-Varina, Bunn, RDU International, Apex, Holly Springs, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Micro, Youngsville, Franklinton, and Pilot. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous, and a potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin and Wake.